Welcome to day 55 of my 100 days of Webflow journey. Today we're gonna embed a YouTube widget on our Webflow website using Elfsight. It's gonna be a very smooth process. This video is very short, so if you wanna embed your YouTube videos on your website, this video is for you. Let's get to work. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 days of Webflow journey. We have a lot coming up. Let's go. Alright, so what I want is basically my video to show up here, my latest video on YouTube, just to show up here every time someone goes to this page. So if I go to Elfsight, elfsight.com, I'll just go to Elfsight, and then I will, of course, you'll be prompted to make an account. Elfsight is like a library of widgets that you can add to your website. Now there's many different widgets that you can add. And you can add like social media widgets, you can add Instagram widgets, and so on and so forth. So in our case, we'll be adding a YouTube widget. So that will be a YouTube gallery. And then we will choose the gallery that we want. So most probably, maybe I'll just choose this. I just need one video. So let's create this widget. Let's see how it looks. Okay, you click here, you use this template. So the source group, you just add the source group. So our source group will add the source group, so youtube.com. So this is my channel, so I'm gonna add the source group as my channel, so we'll add this here. This is a channel, done. So group name will be the YouTube channel. 100 days, and then add to website. Let's sign in. So sign in with Google. So here we have these two. So basically I'm just going to remove that first one. I don't want that first one. Let's just delete it. So we'll just have this. Now what we need to do is, so it's a slider, it's all my videos. Play mode equals ready. Yeah. Let's see appearance. So video, you can control the color. So this is the color of the icon. So let's make it yellow. Can we do that? No, I think this is the one. Yes, actually we can make it yellow. We go to settings. Now this is the final bit. You have an API key, has its own independence request. Alright, so now that I'm logged in, I have this page. So now what I will need to do is publish, and then I will just select the free plan, and then I will copy this code. Now go to my website, I will just add an embed. So add an embed, and I'll just paste that code, save and close. Let's make sure its embed is 100 width, 100 height. Image child has a width and height. This one has a height. There's some spacing. Alright, let's publish this. Let's just see how this is looking. Let's see what we have here. So let's go. Alright, so it's tiny on the side. We need it to have a full page. So let's see how we can style this. Here, let's perhaps take it to the. Alright, so once we embed this, we will just need to also go to, because now if you view it, it's just on the side, on the corner. So we'll need to make this auto across the parent element. So we'll go to the settings of the widget. We'll go to layout, we'll go to columns and rows, and we'll go to where it says width. We'll just set that to auto, so that it's automatic, and then we publish. And then if we go back, let's see if we can just see it right here. So this is great, it's exactly what I wanted. At Elfsight, please check the link in the description below. They have a lot of widgets. We will go over some of them later on in the series, but for today, the YouTube widget looks amazing. I'll leave this clonable for you to clone. See you now. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I taught you something today. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 days of Webflow journey.
A lot of cool stuff are coming. See you tomorrow on day 56.